Now I want to start my new project as an electrical project. Let's move here to new. Then there is a new dialog box will be open as a new project. Now we have template files. Let me click this arrow and we find here there's a construction and architect and structural mechanical templates, but I can't find my electrical template. So let me move here to browse and let us select where is my template. Now here there is a US metric templates, and we have here, for example, Revit 2020 templates. We can go here to templates. We find here there is some US imperial and generic template. I want the metric template. I will open US metric. Of course, this templates you can download it from Autodesk. You can go to Autodesk website and search about these templates, and of course you can find a link so you can download it and you can implement it in this Revit. If you can't find the US metric, only search Autodesk for US metric to continue with me. Now we want, of course, there's different templates. I want this one, the electrical default metric template. I will select it, then I will open it. Now, when I open it like this, they would have to create a new project, or I will need it as a project template. Of course, I need it as a new project. So I press OK. Then I will open my new template. Now I see as this template, we'll see there is here a floor plan, there is a lighting plan for level 1, lighting plan for level 2, and we have ceiling plan, level 1 and level 2, and there is a power plan. There is a power plan 1 and level 2 also as power plan, and there is a 3D, and here there is the elevations and so on. So now this is my template. Of course, first thing we have to do is to save my project. We have to save my project, so I go here to this here and I will do saving, and here I can select where I have to put my project. So I need it in desktop and exercise file, chapter 3, and here we have a chapter 3. I can name it as electrical project. This is my electrical project. Okay, now before I save it, I go here to option. This is very important. I move here to option. The most important for me is the maximum backup. If you notice, the maximum backup here is a 3. It is your choice to make it 5, 6, 10 as you want. But for me, I prefer up to maximum backup, because this is Revit is different than AutoCAD. So now I will explain to you what is the meaning of maximum backups will be 3. Then I choose it will be 3 backups. Okay, then I save my new project as electrical project. Now it is the title is changed to electrical project, floor plan 1 lighting, because the lighting plan is already the activated plan. And now let me explain for you what is the meaning of backup. Now I am, for example, I did some work on my project. Now I can save it. If I do go here, I will click one time save like this. Now my project is already saved. If I go here to file, then I go to open, then I need to open my project. Here it is, as you notice, we are here in chapter 3. Now this is my current project, electrical project. Now this one here is electrical project 001. This is my backup, because this one is different than AutoCAD. This one is my modification. Before my modification, the previous one, it is already saved here, and after modification it is here. If I have a mistake in my modification, then I can go again back to this backup 001, and I can redo my work as my previous work as modification. Let me cancel it right now, and let me go again, and I press 2 times save. I will save this one, save, and there is here save number 3. And let me go here to file, open, and let's see here. As you notice, we have backup 1, 2, 3, and this one electrical project is my current project. Now this is my current project. If you notice, the number 1 is the oldest one, oldest backup. Then 2, this the recent backup, it will be 003. So I have electrical project. If I have my previous modification, I will find it here. If my previous modification is here, my previous modification, I can find it here. Now let me make a backup number 4. Again, I will go to File and Open. As you notice, he deleted the backup 001, and I have my backups start number 2, 3, 4. So the Revit always will keep here 3 backups in case if I have any new modification. This backups, I can go back directly to this backups and I can open it to check my older work or to make comparison, whatever. So what you want. Now I have to delete these backups. So I want to select this one and this one and this one. I want to delete them. I will delete them. Then we can move to next